Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to find your API key for YouTube. It is useful for you who want to generate the statistic of your YouTube channel, for example, video views, subscribers, and so on. So how to generate the API key? You go to your uh, Google Cloud platform. Make sure you already open this kind of window, and then on the left here you can create new project or use existing project. For me, for this example, I will create new project, and then I will choose the name only for tutorials, and then click create. After that, take some while, it will be creating your project, and then selecting your project. Now I'm seeing my project of my only for tutorials on this Google Cloud platform. After that, you can go to quick access, and then or you can click find all products, and then just wait for a while, and then you can click this APIs and services. Just wait. And then here on the left tab, you can see library. You click that library. And then on here, on the search for APIs and services, you can click search for YouTube. See, this is three or some availables of API in YouTube. For general use, you can use YouTube Data API version 3. I can click this one, and then you have to enable first. You can click to enable this API. It took maybe 1 minute or less than 1 minute. And then this is my enable. This is my API, and then how to find the API key. You can click this credential. Just wait. After you're clicking this credential, you will be seen like this, and then you can click this create credential, and then find this API key. Now, as you can see, now my API key already generated. You can copy this to your clipboard and then use whatever your purpose is. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe to the channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.